Now that the vaccination for all the adults is set to roll out from 1st May and it has been done already for the seniors and very soon it will be done for the children too, we need to have a look at the difference between Covishield and Covaxins, which are the vaccinations provided now in India. हम बात करेंगे इन दोनों के हम लोगों को इम्यून करने के साइंटिफिक तरीके के बारे में, डोसेस, इफेक्टिवनेस एंड इनके प्राइसेस के बारे में भी. तो स्टे ट्यून्ड, हिट द लाइक बटन ऑलरेडी एंड लेट्स गो फॉरवर्ड. चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं. थोड़ा सा मसाला भी होगा जरूर. Covaxin, scientifically known as BBV152, we'll stick to Covaxin for obvious reasons, is an inactivated SARS-CoV-2 virus vaccine. It is developed by Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech International Limited in association with the Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) and the National Institute of Virology (NIV). अब ये इम्यून कैसे बनाता है हम जानते हैं. चलिए टेंशन काहे ले रहे. When you get Covaxin, you are basically getting injected with the SARS-CoV-19 virus particles which are inactivated. It's like कोई मिल गया. जहां जादू strips away all your powers, वैसे ही scientist strips away all the power of the virus to make you sick. And it's true. अगर microscopically देखोगे viruses को ना, you will see viruses doing माँ मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा माँ. Just kidding. So an inactivated virus won't cause an infection in your body. It's basically completely powerless. But it will do one thing, that is to help your body to create a defense army against SARS-CoV-2 virus, creating specific antibodies against it. अब ये कैसे होता है? Very simple. When Covaxin is administered to you, our white blood cells, to be very specific, the T cells and B cells detect the inactivated virus particles. और इससे क्या होने वाला है आपका? T cells are responsible for producing memory. T cells remember the virus and B cells are responsible for virus specific antibodies. यानी कि जब एक्चुअली आपको कोविड होगा तब T cells राजा बनके आपके जंग को प्लान बनाएगा फ्रॉम द मेमोरी एंड B cells सेना बनाकर उस प्लान के साथ लड़ेंगे. सो T cells और B cells तुम बहुत बढ़िया काम करते हो यार. Covaxin is a type of conventional vaccines that have been used for decades now. There are vaccines for some other diseases as well which are made using the same technology. These diseases are, seasonal influenza, polio is one of them, rabies is one of them, Japanese encephalitis, you have pertussis, you have Hirschhorniasis, you have Amritanand Baba. There are so many which I cannot pronounce actually. This was about Covaxin anyhow. So now how is Covishield different from Covaxin? Let's find that out as well. Covishield is developed by the Oxford AstraZeneca collaboration. Covishield uses chimpanzee adenovirus approach. Hold on. I know. Yeah, you heard that right. Chimpanzee. When you get Covishield, you don't get injected with actual SARS-CoV-2 virus, but you instead get infected with an adenovirus that infects chimpanzees. How does that make sense? Understand? Adenovirus used in Covishield is modified to carry a coronavirus gene. When Covishield is administered, the adenovirus enters the living cell and the modified gene instructs the cells to produce SARS-CoV-2 spike proteins and display it on the surface of the cell. These spike proteins are then detected by the T cells and B cells and our body starts building immunity. So it's basically like a spy, जो दुश्मन यानी कि कोविड-19 वायरस का इंफॉर्मेशन आपकी बॉडी तक लाता है और आपकी बॉडी को प्रिपेयर करता है और T cells, B cells अपना काम करने लग जाते हैं. फर्क कितना हुआ फिर? फर्क बस इतना है, Covishield is using adenovirus to make the spike protein present on the surface of corona and Covaxin is using actual coronavirus. बस इतना ही फर्क है इनके बीच में. So what about the doses now? इन दोनों के बीच में doses का क्या difference है? Simple है यार. There is no difference between the two vaccine in terms of dosage at all. Both of them follow a 2-dose regimen administered 28 to 42 days apart. थोड़ा सा इधर-उधर वेरिएशन हो सकता है, अभी अपडेट चल रही है इसके ऊपर. Efficacy और effectiveness में क्या डिफरेंस है दोनों का? Both the vaccines have shown more than satisfactory results ever since the inoculation started in India. मतलब धमाकेदार तरीके से उन्होंने काम किया है. The effectiveness of the Covishield vaccine is nearly 90% as per the global reports and Covaxin is 81% according to interim third phase trial results. So it's all going on amazing. What is the difference between the price of the vaccines? Simple. Both the vaccines are being inoculated free of cost at government health setups. The government has put a price capping of ₹250 also per dose for private hospitals and clinics, यानी कि कोई भी आपको लूट नहीं सकता, लूटेगा तो आप केस कर सकते हो. So which vaccine should you take? Take any which is available, yaar. No nakhra at all. Every vaccine is good. The mechanism may be different, but they serve the same goal, minimizing the chances of hospitalization and death. Very important. And the good news is that both vaccines are effective against the B167, also known as double mutant variant. So go take vaccine. Don't believe in WhatsApp forwards. कोई टेंशन की बात ही नहीं है. Hit the like button. Share this video. Subscribe to the channel right now for more amazing Spectrum specials to give you information which can make a difference in life and death. Share this video so that everyone gets this information and save their lives and gets vaccinated. Let me know in the comment section how much you enjoyed today's video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, stay home, stay safe and stay strong. I'll catch you guys. Peace.